What is the concept of a chosen one spiritual awakening? How do you know if you are a chosen one for spiritual awakening? The idea of being a chosen one for spiritual awakening is often subjective and can vary depending on personal beliefs, cultural influences, and spiritual practices. While some individuals may feel that they have been specifically selected for a profound spiritual journey, it's essential to approach such notions with a balanced perspective and consider various factors. You may feel a strong inner calling or sense of purpose that goes way beyond ordinary desires or ambitions. This calling might manifest as a deep yearning for spiritual growth, a desire to make a positive impact on the world, or a quest for a deeper meaning and understanding. Inner calling typically aligns with your authentic self and core values. It reflects who you truly are at the deepest level and resonates with your innate talents, passions, and interests. When you follow your inner calling, you feel a sense of alignment and fulfillment, as if you were living in harmony with your true nature. It just feels good. These inner callings may manifest as intuitive nudges, gut feelings, or a deep inner knowing that guide you towards certain decisions and actions. Trusting your intuition and listening to your inner voice can help you discern your true calling amidst the noise of everyday life. Start small when you're testing your intuition. In the beginning, you may have a hard time differentiating between intuition and ego. Test those gut feelings and be mindful of where they're coming from. When you're doing this testing, search very deep, like you're searching through a Where's Waldo poster. Younger people are like, Waldo? Is that an iPhone app? Well, no. As you move along your journey, your intuition will take over your ego, and you will know without a doubt. You might notice synchronicities, meaningful coincidences, or signs that seem to point you in a particular direction on your spiritual path. These can include reoccurring themes, encounters with significant individuals, or symbolic experiences that resonate deeply with you. Many people will see number synchronicities like 111, 555, or 222. These are called numerology or angel numbers. Understand that they will use any kind of synchronicities and signs when they know you're paying attention. So who is they, and where do they come from? They come from multiple places. It could be spiritual masters that are still in this world or ones that have passed through. They can come from different entities, from different dimensions. I want to throw out a warning here. Not all souls have good intentions. Test these synchronicities that come in with your heart and feel if it's something that you should follow. I was tricked a few times in the beginning of my journey. You may have had profound spiritual experiences, such as moments of clarity, inner peace, or connection to a higher power or universal consciousness. These experiences can serve as catalysts for spiritual awakening and may prompt you to explore your beliefs and values more deeply. Although you have the abilities of all the gifts of an awakening soul, usually one is attracted to one or two abilities. Most likely, these are something that you worked on in a prior life. You usually can tell this if it comes naturally to you. It's sort of like riding a bike. You never forget. A genuine spiritual awakening often involves inner transformation, such as shifts in perception, beliefs, and behaviors. You may find yourself becoming more compassionate, empathetic, and attuned to the interconnectedness of all life. We start to understand that we are one part of this world. each part going through a different experience. We become more understanding of this because, in all retrospect, our part is going through their part at the same time. Seeking guidance and support from spiritual teachers, mentors, or the spiritual community can be valuable on your journey. These individuals can offer wisdom, encouragement, and practical tools to navigate the challenges and opportunities that arise during spiritual awakening. One thing to keep in mind is the guidance that they give is not right or wrong, it just is. Make sure you feel with your heart to see if it resonates with you. It's essential to approach the idea of being a chosen one with discernment and humility. While you may feel called to a significant spiritual path, it's essential to remain open-minded, grounded, and self-aware. Avoid falling into the trap of ego inflation or superiority over others. This is one that I see all the time. I have to admit, I felt this way for some time, especially in the beginning when I first awoke. It was mostly anger for feeling betrayed and lied to. Although the people that I was angry at and felt superior to had no idea what was really going on. Ultimately, whether you consider yourself a chosen one for spiritual awakening or not, what matters most is your commitment to inner growth, authenticity, and contributing positivity to the world around you. Trust your intuition, cultivate self-awareness, and remain open to the unfolding of your spiritual journey wherever it may lead.